Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Chapter 15, visualizing solid shapes. So visualizing solid shape means you have seen many solid shape like this. Shoebox you have seen in your home, and like a container, a cylinder. These are the solid shapes. So in this video you will see exercise 15.1 and 15.2. So that 15.1, identify the net which can be used to make cube. So that second one, third one, fourth one and sixth one also you can use for making a cube. Right? And then second question, dice are cube with dotted on each faces. Opposite faces of die always have a dotted of 7 dot of them. Yes, that is a yes. Here are two nets to make dice. The number intersecting the each square indicate the number of dotted in that box. So that insert suitable number in the blank, remembering that the number of opposite faces should total to 7. So that first is this box 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 this. So 4 5 and 6 already given. Just wait, one box is left here. See that here. That 4 5 6 is given here. So opposite face 1, that will be 3, or this will be 2. This will become 2, because when you will cut a paper, then you will be see this one. And then second diagram is given here 1 2 3 1 2 3. So that 1 2 and then 2 this, and then given 1 2 3. So that that will be 5 to 7, and then that will be 4, this will be 6. Can this be a net for a dice? Explain your answer. No, because opposite faces are not 7, because sum of opposite faces are not 7. Next question. Fourth question. Here is an incomplete net for making a cube. Complete it in at least two different way. So that fourth question, that will be the net 1 2 3 4. That will be and then this is the complete net 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then another way, that will be 1 2 3. So that 1 2 3. So that 1 2 3. This is a different way. Many more way you can apply. That 1 2 3 4 5, and then 6 we need to that here. One more box we will apply here. And then matching cube shape, that is a you are looking cube shape, that is the second part. Cylinder shape, you are looking similarly, that is the third part. C, cone, that is the fourth part. And then D, that will be first part. Next exercise, that 15.2, this is given a diagram in this isometric dots. Diagram is given here, so we will make a diagram on your paper, that is the first part. So that first of all we will draw a rectangle, that rectangle, and then after another rectangle in this diagram, and then join these. This is the actual diagram of isometric dot paper. And then second one, first of all you will be draw a rectangle like this. When you use the isometric paper, then you will be see that will be better. And then that, and here also you are looking this one by same height, and then they are looking this one by this, like this, and then that one also is joining of that one. Just wait, just a minute, wait there. This will be go up to here. Like this. This will be joined from here. And then next one, third part. This is just difficult. First of all, you will be make that one box, and then after this one box, and then after this one box, and then after they like this. When you will use the that isometric dot paper, then that figure will be very clear. And then first we are going to from top, and then after that will be one line, and then like this, like this, and then again down. Oh no, sorry, from here that will be go just down, and then again 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, that will be come down, and then that will be like this. Diagram is looking this one. Second question, the dimension of the cuboid are 5 3 2. Draw 3 different isometric sketch of this cuboid. So different sketch. So that will be different sketch. That will be second question. So first of all, we will draw the 5 centimeter line, and then this one also 5 centimeter, and then 2 centimeter of this one, 2 centimeter of this one, and then this one also 5 centimeter, or this will be 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. That will be 3 centimeter. This must be 5, this will be 3, and then this will be, and this will be, right? So this is the 5, 2, 3. Different way. In the different way, first of all draw 3 centimeter, then after 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and then 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. We can write here, and then 2 centimeter. This must be 3, this will be 3, this will be 5, 5. Okay. And then another diagram, another also we can say that third diagram, see that we can draw a 2 centimeter and then 5 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and then 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. Oh, just left space is here, we can leave that, and then how we have done. That will be 3 centimeter, like this. Third question. 3 cuboid each 2 centimeter as are placed side by side to form a cuboid. Sketch a oblique cube of that one. So cube means that will be 3, 3, 3, 3. So that one also 3, 3, 3, 3. That will be cube. Okay, like this we can draw. And then fourth question. All the diagram will be same. That is, make a oblique sketch of each of the following stoichiometric slope. So that will be this one line. When you will be use that dotted line, then you will be see your diagram will be very neat and clean. And then this one line, and then this one line, this one, this one, this one. Just wait, how has it come? That will be just a reflect type of diagram. And then again this one line, and then this will be joined like this. And then you are looking at like a hut. That will be like this. Just a minute. Oh. And then like this you will be draw. Next question. Give first an oblique sketch, second is isometric sketch of each of the following. A cuboid 5 cm, 3 cm and 4 cm. So same type of diagram, this one like this we will draw here in fifth question. Everywhere you can use the isometric paper, that will be better. first part. So first of all you will be draw the 5 centimeter line and then 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 5, 3 and then 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter and then join these. That is a actual, this is the 2 centimeter. A keyword with an edge 4 centimeter long. So that will be, that is a 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, this also 4. So 4, this also 4, this also 4 and then join them. Join them. That is a 4, 4, 4 centimeter. This is the, so dear students, you will be use everywhere that isometric paper, then your diagram must be neat and clean. Okay.